VIS. The Sound of Heroes is coming to Crunchyroll this October, and you do not want to miss this. This anime is set in a world where everyone has a unique sound. A sound that defines who they are, where they come from, and what they believe in. It's also the key to defeating the villains known as the Soundless. Our protagonist, a young man named Liam, lives in a world where music is everything. But when a tragedy strikes, he loses his sound and becomes known as the Unsung. Now, years later, he sets out on a journey to find the legendary Sound of Heroes in order to save his world from the Soundless. Along the way, he meets a colorful cast of characters, each with their own unique sound and abilities. Together, they form a band and go on a concert tour across the land, battling the Soundless and bringing people together through the power of music. The animation is top-notch, the soundtrack is amazing, and the story is one that will stay with you long after the credits roll. Don't miss it this October on Crunchyroll.